Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on this channel, please, I would like you to like and subscribe and share. So, the weekly forecast we have for this week is we have a GER30 or DAX30. So, we've been on this trade since last week. So, I just want to pick out something for you guys, for people that have not been on this trade, an opportunity that you can use to enter this trade. Because if you watch from this weekly time frame, you can see that the market has broken above this resistance level here. So, and this is where we are looking at for the take profit. If you can see, this is where we are looking at for the overall take profit, and it will take time. So, for the people that want to enter this trade, you can still enter this trade. This is the daily time frame, because this is what you're looking at, 1:4. And if you're looking at the weekly, the overall time frame to the monthly, we'll be looking at 1:9. So what am I saying is DAX 100 is going, we're just following the trend. So let's go jump to 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame, you can see that we are expecting a pullback because DAX 100 is on the highest high. So we are expecting a pullback around somewhere here. This is where we are expecting a pullback somewhere here, and we saw some rejection here. And right now the market is playing around here. So for the people that want to enter this trade this week, you can just simply enter a quick 1:2 trade. So I've set an alert here for an opportunity to jump into the market. So if the market broke above this alert here with a nice momentum, then we'll jump into this trade and take it to this upside on the 15 minutes time frame. So that is what we have on DAX. It's not a very complex trade. It's a simple trade. We are just here to make money. So we have been on this trade from around this position here, and right now I'm in break even right now. So maybe after this quick analysis, I will shift my break even to maybe some profits here. Then I will allow the markets continue playing. Then if for me that I've been in this trade for long, I'll also enter on this the 15 minutes time frame, just a quick step to add more profits to the ones I've been holding here since. So that is it for that one, DAX30. So our next trade we are looking at is Euro CHF. As you can see, I've even set an alert on it. Euro CHF. And Euro CHF, let's start from the monthly time frame. Set an alert on it because we don't need to sit and be looking at the charts. We just need to know when it has come to our area of interest. As you can see from the monthly time frame, we can see that this is the downtrend from the monthly time frame. So we'll jump into the weekly time frame to see how we can make good use of the opportunity. And right now, as we can see on this weekly time frame here, we've seen an engulfing candle here, an engulfing candle. So we'll have to wait for a pullback, maybe around this region here. Around this region, as you can see, I also set an alert here. Around this region, we'll wait for some pullback around here, then take it down to the downside. Wait for some pullback to here, and we'll take it down to this downside here. So that is what we are seeing on this Euro CHF. So we just have to be patient for the market to play out. So when we go to the daily time frame to see the broader view, we also saw, so this is where we saw that um, area of interest we'll be waiting to see the pullback to on this trend line here. On this line, I just put it here because I'm seeing some micro, or should I call them mini resistance around here. So there's some mini resistance around here that is forming some demand. So I put it there. Then I'm expecting this big momentum of sell to make some pullback. It might not even get up to here. It might not get up to this point. It might not get up to this point. Reason why I said so. That is why we went down to a much lower time frame, to see what we are doing, because this is where we set it. So we are expecting the pullback to come to this area, around this area. As you can see, we're expecting the pullback to come around this area before we can take our sell. But see, when we go down again into the 15-minute time frame, we will see that the 15-minute time frame has been making some mini pullbacks. So that was why I set another alert on this here. This is the alert here. I set another alert here that, okay, in case if the market did not come to this side, instead of invalidating instead of making our trade to be valid, to be invalid, I mean to say, instead of making our trade to be invalid, because the market might decide to touch here and come down to this our take profit, then go back up, or even come down a little bit before going back up to this our initial area of interest. We are looking for a pullback, then before rallying down. You know how the market can be. Let me draw it. Sometimes the market can go like this, touch here, come down here, then maybe make that pullback, that kind of pullback that the market will usually make before coming back to our take profit. So something like this. So I said we can make a quick scalping on this Euro CHF. So that is why I put two take profit, two shots on this place. You see here, this is 1:2, and this is 1:3. So this alert here stands for this. I'm waiting for the market to pull back to this um, area of influence. Then I will enter and set my stop loss around here, 30 pips. And then I will go for 89 pips. So then if I see maybe, or let me say I will be looking at 1:1 for this trade. I'll be looking at 1:1 because my main aim here is here. So the market might just make some consolidation, come back here then before. So before then, I can decide to take some profits before the market head back up. But I'm more bearish than bullish on this year Euro CHF. So that is it. You don't just, you have to be open-minded, not because we want the market to come out to this place. What if the market did not reach up to this place? Just make a little pullback, then start coming down. So that is why this also is considered on the 15 minutes time frame, because we will, because why we even use this is because as you see the market broke through this line, you can see the market retracing back, then we tested this place and come back. So the market has already made that retest on 15 minutes time frame. And if you watch, if you draw the chart closer, you will see the market has broken this trend line, making the retest and going back here. So that is why I also put here as an area of interest. Okay, since it has retested here, the market might not want to come back to this place. Maybe after it has gotten to this take profit, before it can even start deciding to come back here. So the market can still decide to touch this our area of interest, where we'll be looking to take a sell position. Then we'll set our stop loss here. Then we'll allow the market to rally down to this side, which will be giving us like 89 to 90 pips, if I may say. uh, let's just say 89 to 90 pips. Or if the market decided to go back to this up side here, then we can check it from here. Let's just say from this side, I put that alert to this place. This is 100 pips. So it's 900 pips is not much. That is why I set this two here. I'm more bearish than bullish. So I will enter the market once the market hits here. Then I'll set my stop loss here. Then I'll allow the market to play out. And if eventually the market take me out, I'll have to be patient again and watch this my second entry. This is going to be my first entry. This is my second entry. If the market fail this, I'm very certain it will not fail this. So that is just the two um, trade I'm looking at this week. You don't need to pile up too much trade. Just these two, and you can make a lot of money from the market this week. So let's just be patient and let's see how everything will play out. Everything, the two market we are looking at is on an alert already. We've put an alert on them all. So once it triggers, we are going to buy or we'll sell. Let me um, change this. Let me change this. Let me make it more. Um, so we don't need to be bothered about the. We don't need to be bothered about the trade. Once it so good opportunities to sell, good opportunities to sell. So once it hits here, from the wherever I am, I will just know that okay, I'm looking to sell. I don't need to start racking my brain on what was I expecting. No, it is already there. So once I see it, I know what I'll just click on sell and put my stop loss on 30 pips. This is 30 pips stop loss. So that's just it for this two trade. This is what we are looking at here. And this will be for buy. So once the market break above there, then we'll know it's buy straight up. Then we'll buy. That is for GER30. But for GER30 so far, we are in this trade and we're in profit in GER30. Just looking for another opportunity to enter a quick buy, or should I say quick scalp, because we're a swing trader. But if you don't want to scalp, you can just look for opportunity to enter another position and let it run, because this is where we are looking at. The journey seems a bit far, but we'll be patient. From here, just 1:4 or so. So not that much. So we'll be patient. During the time of the process, we'll be going with whatever profit we are seeing here. So the more the market is going up, the more I'll keep on pushing my stop loss. I'll keep on trailing my stop loss. So for now on this trade, I'm in profit. Whatever the market is doing, Even if you hit me out, if you hit me out in profit, I'm already in profit on this trade. I'm just looking for more opportunity to enter. So this is just the two trade we are looking at this week: GER30 and Euro CHF. Don't need to complicate trade. This is what we just need to look throughout this week. If it play out for us, we'll go with profit, and if you don't, we'll look for another opportunity. We don't need to force the market. Yeah, and please subscribe and like and share this channel for to give us more ginger, to give us more power to come on to make more analysis, making analysis and having the mindset that yes, people are watching. It cannot just be that I'm talking to myself. So that is just it. Thank you.